The main thing is you're trying to tuck in tight so that you're going to stretch your center line through your spine. And you bring your head as close to your legs as you can. Don't be surprised if you feel the body moving a little bit in this position, like either clockwise or anti-clockwise motion starting. Just stay stable, breathe deep, feel very well planted in your feet, and start a long deep breath. We'll stay here for 3 minutes. Breathe into your belly, in and out from your belly. Relax your neck. Push the backs of the legs as straight as you can. Fold your torso towards your legs as near as you can. When you've got as far down as you can, maintain the position. Breathe into the belly. Stretch the area from your thighs to your buttock bones. Press back hard with your knees. Deepen the breath. And inhale deep, as far down as you can. Pull on your root lock, hold the breath out, slowly bend your knees and come for sitting. I'm going to use the same breath cycle we used before for the Spleen 1 series. This time you're going to bring the knuckles together this way and the thumbs back towards you. Definitely back, stretch back. This is held at the diaphragm level. You're going to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, inhale through the mouth, exhale through the nose. And as I said before, make a little whistle, like a pursed lips as though you're whistling. Focus is at the tip of the nose. 3 minutes.
mind wanders, bring it to the tip of the nose. Thumbs stretch back towards the body. And finish the cycle one. Inhale, stretch your arms up.